Let's see if our multimodal model Gemini can help make sense of my apartment. And to add a little extra challenge, I'm going to see if Gemini can handle being prompted only in Chinese. We'll start with this photo. Based on the lighting alone, I want to see if Gemini can figure out which direction my apartment faces. And Gemini responds, 我可以猜测房间是朝南的. Okay, so it looks like Gemini says my room is south-facing. So how about this plant? What type of light does it need? 这是虎尾兰，不适合太多阳光. So Gemini is saying this is a snake plant, and it doesn't require a lot of sunlight. Awesome. So I've got a dining room that faces the opposite direction of my bedroom. I wonder if this plant would do better in there. Let me see. And Gemini responds, 虎尾兰不需要很多阳光，由于客厅朝北，客厅更适合. So Gemini is surmising that my dining room faces north, has lower light, and is therefore better suited for that plant. Okay, that's some apartment planning with Gemini. Stay tuned for more.